Today's the day. We're going to Canada.
Yes! So we left Canada, so we don't really have a plan. Welcome back, you guys. We made it to Glacier National Park. We are currently hiking the Highline Trail, which I'm pretty excited about. Supposedly we're gonna see a lake and some glaciers. The trail is about 11.6 miles round trip. We're gonna explore Glacier National Park today. Scare me. So we made it to Grinnell Glacier, which isn't the original hike that we planned on doing, but we kind of took another trail and it ended up taking us to Grinnell Glacier, which was gorgeous. The hardest mile ever. It is a sheer cliff, as you can see. The views were so beautiful. It was incredibly windy and cold up there, so we couldn't really film. I don't know if the camera, you can't really see it, but there's just like dots over here. Yeah, those are people. We have to go back on the trail, down around this mountain, and then go down and meet up with that trail. But it's beautiful. We're back. It was a long day. We spent our day in Glacier National Park doing the Highline Trail. The description online said that, you know, it was 11.6 miles round trip, pretty moderate hike, downhill. They lied to us. It was not any of that. It was crazy. It definitely was just like scaling a mountain. It was absolutely gorgeous, but definitely not what we expected. It seemed like the longest mile of our life. It was definitely a bit of a journey and an adventure, and I think it took us probably just to do that 1 mile. It had to have taken us like an hour just because it was so difficult. So on our way back, we actually saw a grizzly bear. It was a completely safe setting. It was up on the hill, definitely not near us, wasn't coming near us anytime soon. That was really cool. I've never seen a grizzly bear, and I don't think Brad has either.
Nope.
We got back around, I think, 4 o'clock, so the hike took us 8 hours. Very sore, very tired. We got back to the van and immediately took a shower real quick, fed the dogs, let them out, and now we just arrived at our camp spot for the night. We're just hanging out, and then Brad, I think, is gonna make some pizza tonight, so that's exciting. Let's see.
Yours is ready.
Oh yeah.
Mine's still going.
I have, it's barbecue chicken without the chicken. And the other half is like pepperoni and cheese. Looks like cannoli wants some.
Mmm. Homemade dough and everything.
Cannoli, it's not for you.
He's inching towards it. Smells good.
Smells good. What are we doing?
Full plunge. Lake McDonald.
Brad and I are at Lake McDonald in Glacier National Park, and we're enjoying the sunset while we have some leftover pizza, some sauce to dip it in. I like to dip my pizza.
What do we got here? Oh, a little pepperoni pizza from last night.
I've got it all over my mouth. It's really good. Even the second day, super good. It's so nice and peaceful here. Being able to just like have this as your backyard, definitely wouldn't be able to do this probably if we didn't do van life. So we just finished watching the sunset here at Lake McDonald. It was beautiful. Fortunately, the clouds kind of covered the sun, so we didn't get much of one. But no worries, we might try again in a few days. Right now though, we're gonna go back to our campsite for the night, so we'll meet you guys there. How's your day, Sophia? What are we making in here?
Just some fried rice. Whatever's left in the fridge, fried rice.
up bright and early so we could catch the sunrise here in Glacier National Park. And we found this really pretty waterfall just 100 feet from the parking lot.
Look at this. Oh my goodness. The sun isn't quite up yet, but it's light enough to be out here. It's a little overcast. That keeps happening every time we try and film a sunrise or sunset, but that's okay. It's still gorgeous out here. Definitely recommend coming if you have not been.
They're pumping the pit toilets right now, and it smells so bad. Oh my goodness. Oh, I can't. Oh my goodness, we gotta go. We gotta go now. Twin. Oop, there's Sophia. Always looking out.
We had to put our mirror in, otherwise it'd get banged off on one of these rocks. We're driving the road to the sun, and it definitely makes you clench your cheeks a little bit, if you know what I'm saying. So we just did the road to the sun, got over Logan Pass where we did the Highline Trail the other day, and now we're at Wild Goose Island Overlook. That's Wild Goose Island over there. And it's very windy, just like the other day. Woo! We got cows.
Oh, we got one that's rogue right there.